trust you. You never hurt me. Now I'm disgusted. Since then adjusted. Certainly you fooled me, ridiculed me, left me hanging. Now boomeranging right back at you. Big long range, narrow-minded, left me blinded. I co-signed it, admired, but I'm bouncing back. I grind it. Now many would bear the pressure. You comprehend me? You want to end me? You offend me? It's drama. Feel the trauma. Come with me. Yeah. Come with me. Don't be afraid. Yeah. Come with me. I close my eyes and I see you standing there. I cry tears of sorrow. I die. Yeah. My enemies, my foes, these fools, you're stepping on my toes. Back up off me, take your hands off me. Give me room to breathe. I'm not hearing it, I'm not fearing it. I'm up to my ears in it. I'm destructive, some women find that seductive. Some say it's lunacy. I won't permit it, I won't quit it. I wanna fight you, I'll fight you. Can't stand nobody like you. You can't run, you can't hide. No surprise, close your eyes, come with me. Yeah. Come with me. Come with me. Ow. Yeah, I like this. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Hear my cries, hear my call, give me your ears. See my fall, see my errors, know my faults. Time halts, see my loss. Why you tell me, backstab me, break the faith, fall from grace. Tell me lies, time flies, close your eyes, come with me. I wanna fight you,